We're here today to talk about the Ego Quickie Van Mover. Now this may be just the thing. You know those tight spots at home when you want to manoeuvre the van around? Or what about free camping situations? It will do it all, and it will do it with remote control. Now Michael from Purple Line. Michael, can you tell us something about the device and how it works?
Yeah, it just attaches to your in-caravan 12-volt system. It's got the control unit there, and the motors just bolt onto the chassis.
So can an average handyman fit it, Michael, or does it need to be professionally installed?
With a few basic tools, anyone could really install this. It comes down with everything you need, including the heat shrink you need for your cable endings.
Now the motors are easy to engage onto the tyre, but what about the quick release part?
Well, the quick release, you just pull a pin, disconnect the Anderson plug that hooks the power on, and the whole motors just pull away.
Is it designed for Australian conditions? And more importantly, is it really good value for money?
Yeah, it's designed to work in our hot conditions out here. It'll run on your concrete like a dream, and it'll even run on soft ground, so free camping. You'll be able to move your caravan any way you want. And it also might help save a marriage or two.
Thanks for those words of wisdom, Michael. And guess what? The navigator is going to really love this.